I want to take you through steps of how to deassemble a tower type desktop machine. You first screw the lid from the back. After that, we slightly slide the lid from the back and remove it. And now we have free access to all parts of the machine. First step, we want to remove our power unit. We unscrew it from the back. After that, that's the power unit. That's how it looks like. Put the ports plugged in. That's on from our board, from our combo drive, hard drive. Make sure you carefully unplug it to avoid damage of other parts. That's how our power unit looks like. The next step will be replacing the power unit to its original position. You should carefully place it to where it belongs and firmly screw it from the back. That's how it is placed, and we screw from the back, as you can see. Connect power to our other parts. That's the board, the combo drive, the hard drive, and any other part that requires power circulation. That's connected now. plugged in, we now close our lid and test our machine. Those are the simplest steps to follow when you want to disassemble or assemble a desktop machine. Also, this the tower type system unit. We screw everything into position. We screw that lid into position. That is it.